guys, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my tasty Ghana drop donuts. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and I'll see you at the end of the video. Let's get started. So in a bowl, I have got 4 cups of plain flour, which is about 520 grams. Then I am going to add in grated fresh nutmeg. If you don't have this one, please use nutmeg powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I am going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, I am going to stir or combine all the dried ingredients. And then I'm going to add the butter. So this is 1 cup of butter or 150 grams of butter that I'm going to melt just in the microwave. So this is how it looks like. You can also use margarine. Next, I'm going to add in a cup of milk, and I'm using fresh milk, which is about 250 milliliters. Then I am going to add my sugar, which is 150 grams or 3/4 cups. Then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then add 3 large eggs. Next, I am going to mix everything until it is well combined. By the way, I used fresh milk, but you can definitely use evaporated milk. So this is ready. Next, I am going to pour it over the flour. And then I am going to mix everything to combine it. Guys, if you think your donut butter is too runny, please add a bit more flour. Okay? And always check. But don't worry, I'll show you how your butter is going to look like, or how it is supposed to look like. This is it. Okay? So it is firm and soft. This is what you are supposed to achieve. So don't worry if it's runny, add a bit more flour until you get this consistency. So I have already heated my oil, and now I am going to drop in my donuts. Make sure the oil is not too hot, because if it is, well, your donut is going to cook or fry perfectly on the outside and not on the inside. This is very, very important. Your oil is supposed to be just right. So you can use your hands to drop it. You can use a spoon, whatever you feel comfortable with. And then you see your donuts puff up and be big like this. I made big ones, but sometimes I do like to make small Ghana donuts. So it really depends on you. And the difference between donuts and buffets or puff is that with donut, you can fry it straight away. You do not have to let it sit like buffets. So guys, my Ghana donuts are ready. And now I'm going to take them out of the oil and let the excess oil drain on kitchen towel. So you see, it is very, very, very easy to make these donuts. I'm also going to fry the second batch, but off camera. I just wanted you to see how it is done. So this is it. These are my perfect Ghana drop donuts. And now, as usual, you must know me by now, I am going to show you how it looks like on the inside. So you can see the outside is nice and perfect and crunchy, and look at this. This is the inside. It's supposed to be nice and soft. Perfect. So guys, this was my Ghana drop donut recipe. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, message, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye and take care.